Hello everyone. Today we shall discuss exercise 1.2 question number 1. Represent these numbers on the number line. 1 that is 7 by 4 and 2 is minus 5 by 6. Let us question number 1. Here you see this is question number 1. We have to represent 7 by 4 on a number line. To represent 7 by 4. 7 by 4. Here you see that the denominator is 4. That means you have to divide the one unit as 4 equal parts. Suppose this is 0, this is 1, this is 1 and this is 2. Since the denominator is 4, you have to divide between 0 and 1 into 4 equal parts. That is 1, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3 and 4. And here also you divide this between 1 and 2 4 equal parts. That is 1, 2, 3 and 4. 1, 2, 3 and 4. Right? Now you have to represent 7 by 4. Here you see, if I represent this one as 0 by 4 or 0, it is 1 by 4 because it is one part out of 4 part. It is 1 by 4. This is obviously 2 by 4. This 2 by 4. This one is 2 by 4. 2 by 4. This one is 3 by 4. This one is 4 by 4, means 1. 4 by 4, that is equal to 1. This is 5 by 4. This part is 6 by 4. This one is 7 by 4. And this one is 8 by 4. 8 by 4, that is equal to 2. Right? I have to represent 7 by 4. Therefore, you can represent here 7 by 4 as this one. That this value is 7 by 4. This part. This can be represented as 7 by 4. Here we have written that this value is 7 by 4. Right? That we represent value is this one, this up to this point 0 to this. That is the value of 7 by 4. That is from here to here is 7 by 4. Right? Now question number 2. Question number 2 is minus 5 by 6 minus 5 by 6. Here you see the denominator is 6. That means it will divide between 0 and 1 into 6 equal parts. Right? Let us divide. Suppose this is 0. This is 1 minus 1. And this is minus 2. And divide between minus 1 and 0 into 6 equal parts. Also minus 2 and minus 1, 6 equal parts. Let us divide. That is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Here see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Here also divide these minus 1 and minus 2 into 6 equal parts. That is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Here you see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Right? Now you'll find that this part, how many parts are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There is one part out of 6, that is minus 1 by 6. You can write here as minus 1 by 6. This one is minus 2 by 6. This one is minus 3 by 6. This one is minus 4 by 6. This one is minus 5 by 6. This one is minus 6 by 6, that is minus 1. This part is minus 7 by 6. This one is minus 8 by 6. This one is minus 9 by 6. This one is minus 10 by 6. This one is minus 11 by 6. And this one is minus 12 by 6. That is comes to minus 2, right? And you have to put the value, you have to find the value minus 5 by 6. That this one is minus 5 by 6. That means from 0 to here, this value is minus 5 by 6, 0 to this point, right? Therefore, you represent sum number 4 as this point. Suppose point number, we get a point A. That point here represent sum number 4. And this point, that is point B, represent minus 5 by 6, right? Dear friends, if you like this video, please subscribe, like and share. Thank you everybody for watching this video.